Hey guys, Terry Brighton here again from Brighton Racing. I have another small block Mopar on the stand today. Just starting her up, getting her broke in. This one here is a 360 board 40 over. It's got a Scat rotating assembly in it, 1-98013 BI. That kit comes with Icon forged pistons. The number for them is IC9978. This build, I use the CNC ported Speedmaster heads. They've worked pretty good for me in the past. I know they're not truck flow heads, but you know, they do work. And this one here, it has the Extreme Energy comp cam. The number for the cam is 20-814-9. Pretty sure that's the biggest hydraulic roller that comp makes. I can put the specs in the comments if anybody wants to know, but it's a pretty healthy cam. Anyways, kind of a story here with this one here. I'm taking it to the dyno next week, double dyno day. Going to take that one as well. They both have the CNC Speedmaster heads. This one here is 10.2 to 1 compression, like I said, with the comp cam, and that one there has the biggest voodoo cam that Lunati makes, hydraulic roller, and the compression on it is about 11.25 to 1. It has Maul pistons in it. I'll do a video of it once I get it running next couple days here, but it's going to be kind of cool to see what they make, cam versus cam. Yeah, that one has a bit more compression, but we'll see how it works. Both have M1 intakes. Going to use the same carb for both. Hopefully we can get the Doug's headers on the dyno so they'll work, and if not, we have a set of headers down there that we'll use. But anyways, let's start this one here up with the Extreme Energy comp cam. I do have crop adjustable, actually the pro rockers in it. They are a little bit on the noisy side. Not too bad. We'll see what kind of horsepower this thing makes next week. That's a 950 brawler too, by the way. So this one, it is for sale. So if you're interested, just put it in the message, and we'll go from there. But this is also going to Mopar Fest. I think it's the third weekend in August in New Hamburg, Ontario. So it's a great show. So come on up to it. And thanks for watching.